Hi everyone, this is Justice from Just Auto Channel, and I'm going to be showing you why it's very dangerous to be driving in this weather. If you look at the road, this is snow, but if you look at the middle of the road, that's all ice. So all the roads are all frozen. This makes it very difficult for people to drive. So even cars with all-wheel drive capabilities will still sometimes have problem, because it's not like they are driving on actual snow, but driving on ice. So it gets really dangerous when everything freezes up like this. And in my previous video I talked about how everything would freeze up because the temperatures around here in the Seattle area drops really fast, and currently it's very cold. So if you do not have any reason to be out driving right now, you should not. The streets are what's really bad, but on the main roads, the city usually puts sand and de-icer on the road, so it's safe to drive on the main road. My appeal to the city is to find ways to start de-icing the streets, because it's very dangerous to be on the streets unless you have all-wheel drive. Sometimes it makes things really difficult, and I have seen cars struggling because they can't even drive very well on the ice. So the city should start finding ways to work on the streets instead of just de-icing the main road without considering the streets. I'm begging you, Kirkland city, to come and start de-icing all the roads and around Seattle area, because if the roads in cities, if all the roads are de-iced, that is to say, it will be safer for drivers. Especially, this is why schools and some businesses, like the place where I work, is all shut down, because the school buses can't even move because there isn't enough done to really make this melt. And the thing is, yeah, the city might not be ready to de-ice all the streets, but I think it would be great to start considering how to really help like people who live in this neighborhood. Some of these neighborhoods are very hilly. Some of them are not the best. So I'm walking towards the main road to show you, and I'm appealing with this video to the city of Kirkland, Woodinville, and all the cities around here, King County, to start de-icing the streets, because it's not safe. Like even walking on the ice, you can hear it, it's slippery. Like I have fallen multiple times, and there are children who walk on this ice. So please try to start de-icing the streets. If you want to keep the Kirkland city safe, I think it will be worth it. Okay, now all we do is pray for sun. Like if there is sun, everything is gonna melt, but it's so cold that there isn't any sun in sight. And this is why I always appeal to people: when you drive, please be careful, be safe, and try not to overspeed on the streets, because when you do that, you are not just endangering the people who are walking along the street, but you are also endangering all the drivers and yourself. So it's safer for you to go back to your family instead of causing an accident because you decide to drive recklessly in this kind of weather. I know you have somewhere to be, but this is not the time to be testing out how fast your car can go or how capable your car is, even though it has all-wheel drive. I'm going to show you a video of what my car can do, because I have a car that is four-wheel drive, and that's the street all cleared, de-iced, and have sand. But if you look at all the streets, there is nothing, it's all frozen. So please, city of Kirkland, start de-icing the streets to keep residents who live in Kirkland, Woodinville, Redmond, and all these places safe. Now, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. My channel is mainly for cars. Subscribe to my channel, press the bell notification icon, and share this video so that the people in authority can really see this video, because if nobody shares it, that is to say, it will not go anywhere. Thank you very much, and you all have a wonderful day.